Hello everybody, it's me Heather and I have a sponsored review for you today. It is Merit Beauty. This brand is currently available at Sephora, Sephora.com, and of course at their own website, meritbeauty.com. I have every item in the collection. It was sent to me. So I'm going to show you everything that I received, and I'll also tell you a little bit about the brand. So it was founded by Catherine Power because when she was pregnant, she noticed that she was getting sick when she was using her cosmetics. So that just tells you how much stuff is in here that could potentially make us sick. So if you order directly from meritbeauty.com, they send you this reusable makeup bag. You can actually throw it in the washer. I love the concept of the bag. It has no metal fasteners, no clips, nothing, no, extra parts that are gonna fall off and wear off with time. And I'll be honest, I don't really like the way it looks. I don't think it's a cute bag. I don't think it's a pretty bag, but I love having a corresponding makeup bag for the entire collection. And there are how many pieces in the collection? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. I have all 7 items, and we'll just go right into it. So this is a clean beauty brand. That means it's paraben-free, sulfate-free. It is vegan, animal cruelty-free. Let's see, what am I forgetting? Sorry, I got a whole list here that I got to go through. Artificial fragrance-free, sensitive skin safe. Did I mention vegan? Big recyclable packaging. So, okay, very cool. So let's get right into it. So this is a minimalist beauty brand, which I totally dig right now because it is so hot in Texas. And any makeup I put on my face feels like it just melts off my face. So it's nice to have just a nice light routine to bring out some of your features, make you feel a little better about yourself. And of course, you could do your entire makeup routine in like 5-10 minutes, which is nice. So let's see. They like to call it the 5-minute morning, which I think is pretty cool. So let's just get right into the makeup line. So this is Merit Beauty, Merit Beauty, minimalist makeup, minimalist beauty, less is more. Yikes, okay. This is why I'm not an actress. I cannot remember dialogue, evidently. So let's start off with this item. This is the Minimalist Complexion Stick. Just wanted you to see the packaging while I pop this open for you. I have mine in the shade Khaki, and they have a pretty comprehensive shade range. I think there's really something for everybody, which I love seeing. And I've been using this, so it's a little bit dirty. You can twist it up, and it's just not really a foundation. This is really a lightweight texture. It's great at just blurring out, any discoloration, just kind of giving the illusion of having a cleaner, more even complexion, but it's very lightweight. It's really pretty on the skin. If you stick around, I'll show you me applying it. So next we have Day Glow. This is the highlighting balm. This I at first wasn't sure what to think of it, the highlighting balm, but it's not your typical highlighter. It is just light, gives you that nice glow. I apply it on my brow bone, right on my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Very lovely. Next we have Brow 1980. This I did not think I would like since I don't have a whole lot of eyebrows, but I'll talk more about this during the tutorial. But here I actually got the shade in Blonde, which I'm like, hello, yes. If I'm gonna use a brow product, it needs to be taupe or blonde right now, since I'm very blonde right now. Awesome mascara. This is Clean Lash. I love the packaging. It's all blue and gold. It's very nicely put together. I mean, when you have this standing on your vanity or bathroom counter or in your makeup bag, wherever you put it, it just looks very luxe. So it's a classic long brush for volume, lengthening. I really like this actually. And then we have, oh, the brush. My brush is dirty. I have been using it, so please forgive how dirty it is. But I did want you guys to see what the packaging looks like when you first receive your order or purchase if you get it in store at Sephora. So there you go. And I've been using this, and I'll talk more about that during the tutorial. And then I got 2 more items. This is their cheek product. This is in the shade Marrakesh. I do actually really like this cheek product. I think it's really cute. I cannot remember what this reminds me of. There used maybe the Dream Bouncy blush. Remember when those were popular? I think from Maybelline. Is that what that reminds me of? Except for this is the high-end version. So I got that in the shade Marrakesh. And excuse me, that is not that's the shade Mood. Sorry. Marrakesh is my lip product that I have. This is great. I'm wearing it now. Everything I'm showing you, I'm wearing now. I'll show you how I applied everything. So this is shade Slick. And there you go. This is shade Slick. This is and I'm not doing swatches because I have it on my lips right now. And this is the Tinted Lip Oil. So in the shade Marrakesh. So that's the entire collection. So now let's go ahead and switch to the application, and I'll tell you all about it. So I'm beginning with a cleansed and moisturized face. So I should use a different moisturizer because I'm quite a bit shiny, but here we go. So I'm starting off with the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Khaki, and I just put in key spots, as you can see. Use it under my eyes, get that nice highlighting effect. Just a couple of lines, and then I blend it out with my fingers. You can use the little blending brush. I wouldn't recommend using a sponge with this product because it has such a lightweight texture and so much slip to it that if you use like a beauty blender or a makeup sponge, it's just going to completely soak up the product. And this is already a very lightweight, silky product. And as you can see, I have a lot of redness, a lot of discoloration that I'm dealing with right now. And I'm just wearing sunscreen all the time, but I should put more on my forehead because my forehead is much more tan than the rest of my face. But I love the way this feels really lightweight. Once you put it on, your skin doesn't feel greasy or heavy. It really just gives you a nice, healthy glow, and it's more of a semi-matte or a satin finish to the product. I know it looks really shiny on me. Again, I should have worn a different moisturizer. So now I'm going in with the Complexion Stick just a little bit more because you can actually build a little bit of coverage with this, which is nice. I just wanted to brighten up my under eye area just a little more, and dealing with some irritation around my mouth. I was bleaching my mustache and my skin's a little sensitive from it. So there is them just tapping it, and there you can see I just got a nice foundation for the rest of the makeup. So now we're going to go in with the Day Glow Highlighting Balm. This is in the shade Bounce. I love that name for some reason. It's really cute. But as you can see, this is not your typical highlighter. This is not glittery. This is not shimmery. It's just pure shine, and it's lightweight. And wow, you can really see it there. Just like, oh, anytime I see people applying highlighter in like videos and commercials, and it always looks so fantastic. And then when I do it in person myself, I'm like, this doesn't look as brilliant. This is it. This highlighting balm, Day Glow, shade Bounce. Look, I just put it literally on my cheekbones, a little bit on the bridge of my nose, put it on my brow bone, put it on my Cupid's bow. I mean, this product's going to last forever because you really need so little, and it just has that instant shine. It just looks like healthy, dewy skin. Now, this product surprised me. I don't have a lot of brows, in case you haven't noticed, but this product is called Brow 1980. I think that's a great name because the brows were big and bushy in the 80s, and that's totally made a comeback right now. But as you can see, this is a volumizing pomade. It's a very, very, very lightweight texture with just the right amount of pigment. I have the shade Blonde. And look at this. You can see I don't have a lot of brows, and this just creates that illusion of having a little bit more hair than is there. but my brows don't look painted on. It just, I can't believe how much I like this. This is great for just giving a little bit more definition to my brows, a little bit more color, but I don't look like I'm drawing my brows on. It's really just adding to what few hairs I have there, adding just a little bit more volume, a little bit more texture. And I love that I can just really quickly have some brows now instead of having to go through the whole brow routine. Now, I'm definitely cut this part for you. This is the mascara. The mascara is actually quite amazing. It's called Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. It is a tubing mascara, so it gives you length. It's not clumpy. It doesn't fall out during the day. I just applied 2 layers to both top and bottom lashes. It's a nice luxe mascara. I love this product. This is the Flush Balm Cheek Color. And here's where I'm going to go ahead and use the brush. It's called Brush Number 1 Blending Brush. And as you can see, I literally just tap it on there, and then I just tap it on my face, and just look at that. It's a beautiful flush of color. The shade of Flush Balm Cheek Color that I have is called Mood. And just look at that. It's rosy, it's cheeky, it's lightweight, and just, by the time I'm done with this routine, I just feel so fresh and pretty and feminine. So this is Shade Slick. It's the Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Marrakesh. And I literally just need one swipe of it on my bottom lip and one swipe on my top lip. It's beautifully pigmented. Got nice slip. It's not sticky. None of these items have any fragrance to them. So I'm just going in with my brow pomade just one more time, just a little bit, my brow 1980 in blonde, and that is it. That is the entire makeup look. You can literally do your entire face in like 5, maybe 10 minutes if you really like to get in there with your mascara like I do, but that's it. And so that's everything on my face now. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you, Merit Beauty, for sending me these products for review. And how awesome is that? If you like the video, do the like thing. If you subscribe, that's awesome. If you're interested in any of the products, I'll leave a link down below. It is an affiliate link. If you don't want to buy through my affiliate link, just go to meritbeauty.com or purchase through Sephora, wherever you want to purchase. And thanks for checking this out. Feel free to leave comments. I'd love to reply to them. And I'll see you guys in the next video.